Those are some giant wheels on that Explorer. And this is a rapid fire update. So the Forester, looking all fancy and fresh. I got some new custom mounted Casey highlights. I made a video about that. That's gonna be up soon. Did you check out the welding video of the WRX? That was a lot of fun. We have the car auction that I'm gonna make a couple videos out of. That's coming soon, as well as the mounting video for this one. And Slammed Enough, question mark, SoCal, and a couple other things coming down the pipeline, but make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, which is kind of nuts. But like, sub, peace, bye.